What's going on? How are you? Welcome to the channel, Jane Velasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And yes, I did it on DS today, and this is the Kobe 1 Protro. As you can see, the price that I bought this one, picked them up on the outlet before was $49.97 with the additional 30% off. Boom. So let's talk a little bit on this pair of Kobe 1 Protro, and they call this the Kobe 1 Protro 81 points, and this is the Nike Zoom AirTag, and this was breathable ankle right here, and this one released way back for the 13th anniversary Kobe Bryant for the 81 points that he did against the Toronto Raptors. As you can see, nice good looking pair of basketball shoes, and it's really wide on the foot, also like a bulky. Why I'm not reselling this one, and I did it and they stock them and use them today in respect to Kobe Bryant. As you can see, wore them today already. Why? Number one, in as a reseller's perspective, yes, it is profitable, but came into this business in reselling shoes because I like shoes, but I don't want to take advantage on his debt just for me to a personal gain, for to make more money. Yes, we want that, but let's just say if he doesn't gone, I would still sell them over the retail price because it is a has had history on them, and we always, as a sneaker who loves sneaker, who likes sneaker, they like what was the history incorporated with the sneakers that they are wearing, and this is one of them. Tribute to him making an 81 points for that game, and it was really amazing game. So also, number two, why I'm not really selling is just respect to Kobe Bryant and to the family. Just like I said, not to gain for his death, and being respectful for his legacy. This is not just to be like reselling them way over the one that they're supposed to. Let's say, yes, I would still resell some of the shoe. Like I sold some of the Kobe member age already, but not 400 times or 500 times the retail value. So the retail value of the Kobe member age are floating somewhere 100, 110. If I could buy them somewhere $45, then it is reasonable for them to resell somewhere 100 or 110 or maybe some 120, differ from the sizes. Now, but if you I'm reselling them for way like 200, 300, that's too much already. So, and lastly, I like shoes, and this is why I am on this business in reselling game. For me to avail a pair of shoes that I can't afford before, way back in the Philippines. So like high school, fourth year high school, when I had the chance to get a pair of sneaker which is branded, which is the Reebok shoe, which is the, remember, is the pump. So I still remember that one. And also, it's not actually meant for me, and it is actually meant for my father and because it's not his size, so they gave it to me. But that's why I started on the um, sneaker. But still, way back in the Philippines, I can't afford them. So just away, just thinking way back why I was in this sneaker game or sneaker. Also, I would like to point out that sneakers are just a small part of Kobe Bryant's legacy. The way he looked at creating the product that had his name on it reflected the way he looked at life. Bryant was true Renaissance man that innovated everything he puts in his hand, and he was never a type of endorser that was content to just slap his name or logo on a shoe. He wanted to make shoes that would impact future generation and help people become better version of themselves. It sounds like marketing tagline, but out of all the athletes and brand endorser had a true purpose, vision for what he wanted his brand to stand for. Like millions around the world, he was one of the hero, and he helped others that there was more to product than just rubber, glue, and plastic. So, what do you think on this Kobe One Protro 81 points? So, if you had them on your hand, would you sell them on that price? This price? Leave your comment below. If you have this on hand, will you resell them? Or are you gonna keep them for the collection? Also, leave a comment down below. So my final thoughts on Kobe Bryant. Heroes comes and go, but legends live forever. Salute to Kobe Bryant and condolence to the family. And that being said, Jay Nolasco here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.